musical journey through more than 2 decades of incredibly iconic race buffer musical theater performances to pay tribute to Mrs. Schlaf and her many years of musical direction.
Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie a napkin around your neck, sherry and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why? We only live to serve. Try the great stuff.
It's delicious.
Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France, and a dinner here is never second best. Go on and vote your man. You take a glass of wine. You'll be our guest. We are guests. Be our guest.
I've always been shy. I confess it, I'm shy. Can't you guess that this confident air is a mask that I wear? 'Cause I'm shy. Poor wandering one, though thou hast surely strayed, take heart of grace, thy steps retrace. Poor wandering one, poor wandering one. If such a poor love as mine can help thee find true peace of mind, why take it? It is thine. Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a beautiful day! I got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Grease Lightning!
All of the overhead lifters and forward barrel pots, oh yeah. A fuel injection cut off and won't play pots, oh yeah. With the 4 speed on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know without a doubt, I'll be really making out a Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning, you're burning up a quarter mile. Grease Lightning, oh Grease Lightning, oh Grease Lightning, you're coursing through the heat-lab trial. Grease Lightning, oh Grease Lightning, you are supreme, the chicks will dream of Grease Lightning.
some enchanted evening, you may see a stranger. You may see a stranger across a crowded room, and somehow you know even then, that somewhere you'll see her again and again.
Consider yourself at home. Consider yourself one of the family. We tell to you so strong. It's clear we're going to get along. Consider yourself well in. Consider yourself by the furniture. There isn't a lot to spare. Who cares whatever we got to share?
10 minutes ago, I saw you. I looked up when you came through the door. My head started reeling. You gave me the feeling the room had no ceiling or floor.
If I were a rich man, yabba-dibba-dibba-yabba-ba-ba-beedle-la-la-la, all day long I'd biddy-biddy-bong. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba-dibba-dibba-yabba-ba-ba-beedle-la-la-la. If I were a bitty-bitty rich, yaddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-da. Close every door to me, hide all the world from me, bar all the windows and shut out the light. Do what you want with me, hate me and laugh at me, darken my daytime and torture my night. If my life were important, I would ask, will I live or die? But I know the answers lie far from this world. Will I live or die? But I know the answers lie far from this world.
So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, good night. I hate to go and miss this pretty sight. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu, 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 to you and you and you. So long, farewell, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen. I'd like to stay and taste my first champagne. Yes? No. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what you call it? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. you ever had. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, then he has found me.
In the year 2000, Principal Dan Beckman approached Trent Clariter and Regina Schlaf and asked if they would be interested in putting on a musical here at RP. Having just opened the Rocket Center, it was a great time to commemorate the space and start a new performance tradition here in Rocket City. Several years later, the middle school followed suit, further cementing the musical theater tradition here at RP. Mrs. Schlaf, thank you for helping to make Reese-Puffer a beautiful city. 24 shows and countless memories later, we will always thank you for the music.